down on the right there.
Nice.
Forward 2. That rock in the middle is that pyramid rock. We're gonna go just to the right of that.
Okay.
Forward 3. And then if you look to the left of pyramid, that's the toilet bowl over there.
Oh, I
Forward 1.
see it.
All right, big bump here. Lean in, lean in. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! And back paddle, back it up. We're gonna play safety. And stop. You can also take a look at Baby Dewey here.
Oh, hey, baby Dewey.
Oh yeah.
Up front. All right.
All right.
Oh, let's record him.
Nice.
Big bump.
So smooth, dang.
Yeah. Woo.
All righty.